Playing YouTube videos on TikTok Live is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how you can play YouTube videos on TikTok Live. So for that, you simply have to go to your TikTok application, and this is how it will look like. So in here, you'll be able to find this plus icon at the bottom middle of your screen. So just go ahead and click on that plus icon, and that will take you into this section. Now in here, what you need to do is to go ahead and head over into the live section. So you'll find it beside the post button. So once you click on that, that will take you into this section. So in here, just simply click on that mobile gaming beside the device camera and click on that go live button to immediately share your screen to your live. So what you'll need to do after that is to go ahead and open YouTube and play the YouTube video that you want to share to your live. And that is how you can basically do that. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.